Hello everyone, welcome to the Excalibur Games. We are playing Cat Mario. Let's play it, shall we? What the fuck? Oh! Nice try. What the fuck? Oh, what the fuck? What? Oh shit, that was close. Can't touch me. Oh! That was close. Why is there... No! Shit. Fuck. Shit fuck. Oh, what? Oh, man. Alright. Okay, got one life left. Don't miss your chance to blow. Eminem song. You only get one shot, don't miss your chance to blow, cause opportunity once in a lifetime. Oh, okay, almost fell to my death. Whoa, crap, whatever the hell that is. Oh, okay. Okay. No, fucking, fuck you. Alright, we're gonna, wait, what the fuck? Well, okay. No! Fuck! Okay, we're just getting warmed up, everyone. Okay, no! Oh, that was close. No, fuck! Yes, okay. Shit! No! What the fuck? That's fucking messed up. Alright, we'll try it out again. No! Oh, thank you, Jesus. Uh-huh. Oh! Well, that's supposed to come out. Oh, that was a close one. Fishy. Hit the flag. No! What the fuck? What the fuck? What? I died? How the hell did that happen? Okay. No! Shit in a basket? Shit in a fucking basket, huh? Alright. That looks awkward. What the hell is that? Ah! -5. Already on my -5th life already. No! Are you friggin' serious? Are you friggin' serious? Syrup, monster, marshmallow thingies. Alright, whatever. -6. Okay, get past that. Jump that. Okay. I'm alive. Jump over that. Ah! Holy shit, how'd that appear? Huh? You didn't shoot a laser at me, you dumb son of a bitch! That's not what I freaking wanted! -7, okay, who gives a shit? No! Yay, I'm alive. Yay. Alright. I want a banana. What the fucking cloud? Alright, I'm alive. No! What the fuck? What's up? This game is fucked up. Ugh, man. Alright, let's try this again. We're gonna at least try to pass it. Oh ho 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 ho! You didn't get me. Ha! Nice try, flag. Oh, what? What the fuck is the point to this? Add Cat Mario to website blogging. No! This game is too freaking hard. Ah! Alright. Killed that. No. Ahaha. Take that. Oh yes! Give me. What the fuck? Are you serious? The fucking star kills you? Alright, no, 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 no. There's gotta be some. There's gotta be some. Are you serious? That wasn't even me. That was just Rocky Balboa talking. Yay, I'm alive. Born to be alive. Fuck! Okay, just ignore the background music. My sister's watching a TV show. Everyone. So just ignore that. Just no. Oh, you didn't get me. Fucking hell. Fuck. Shit! I forgot about that. This game is fucked up. Shit! What? I forgot about the fucking cloud. Alright, let's try this again. Alright. California knows how to party. California knows how to fucking party. In the fucking city. Oh, what the fuck? This is bullshit. Bullshit. No, what the fuck? Are you serious? Take that, turtle. Oh! Negative 21. I'm already there at negative fucking 21. Alright. No! Fucking cat! Okay. Okay, we're gonna try this shit again. No! Take that! No! Ha ha ha! Oh, what? I didn't even touch the fucking laser! Never mind. I'm just gonna, end the fucking video here because there's no fucking clue. Where in the hell can I do that shit now? Shit! Fuck! You know what, I'm just gonna end the video here. Thanks for watching, everyone. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you like this. Fuck! Please like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for watching it. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.